If you own a wig or you plan on getting one, then this video is for you. So today I'll be showing you how to coil your wig using a coiling iron. Now, this is the wig I'll be coiling. I already started it. You can see how neat that those coils are looking. Now, first of all, what you want to do is, depending on the wig you're coiling, you want to go ahead and apply some mousse on this. So this is the one I'll be using. Now I'll go ahead and apply some generous amount. You want to apply it on the entire wig. Now you want to apply it, then you go in with your heat protectant, because you know we are going to be doing a heat coil. So you want to make sure that you're using a heat protectant, then a holding spray. This is the one I'll be using. Now you want to go ahead and apply some heat protectant serum. Make sure that you massage it well into the hair. After you do that, you want to take a blow dryer. This is the one I'm using. If you don't have a blow dryer, you want to let it air dry. Now I'm going to set that on low heat. Then I'll go ahead and blow dry this. So after blow drying your hair, you don't want it to dry completely. You want it to be a little bit wet, like cold. Now you want to take your coiling iron. This is so. Before we start, always make sure that you section your hair. Don't just go randomly. Section your hair on how you want it to lay. I'm just going to take the same quantity that I've been taking before. Then make sure that you comb through. After combing that, you want to take your first section, not too big in and not too small. I'll go ahead and comb this again. Then you want to go in with your holding spray. Now there are so many different ways on using the coiling iron. You want to open up like this, grab the hair, close it. I like to go once before I coil. Now you want to pull a little bit, then you twist like so. When you twist like this, you want to make sure that it's really tight, okay? You want to start clamping and pulling it down. You twist, you clamp, you want to slowly clamp until you get the entire hair in. So now you want to hold it for like a minute, so the heat will get into the top of the hair. Hold that in. So you can see the heat has reached the top of the hair. You can see like vapor coming out of it. Now you want to take that out. Just go ahead and gently clamp. After taking that out, you want to use a pin like this to hold the coil so it will set and get cold before you take out the coils. If you don't do that, your coils are going to fall fast. So I always start by stretching first. Another way is you can start from the end of the hair. And make sure that gets in entirely. Then you just go ahead and twist upward. So for this style, it will take time for the heat to get on top of the hair. So you will have to hold it for a longer time. So when you see vapor start coming out of the hair, you know it has reached the top of the hair. Now you want to take this out. it's the same way with clamp. Take your time to gently pull that out. So after you pull that out, go ahead and hold it for it to sit and get cold. So guys, that's basically it on how you coil your hair. Thank you for watching. The result, you'll see this in another video. So let me know what you think about this in the comments, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.